Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you create a Binance account using your Google address. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first. Then after that, tap to sign up/login. Now after tapping in there, this page will appear. Now into this page, you just simply have to tap into this continue with Google option. Tap there, and now after tapping into there, you will get to choose so many accounts from this section. Just simply choose the suitable account in order to create your Binance account with Google. And after, tap to agree and share. Now after doing this, you can choose to create a new Binance account or link an existing Binance account. I'm selecting create a new Binance account, and after that tap to next button. Now after doing this much, this page will appear where you will have to verify your identity after this. By following this very easy step, you can easily create a new account of Binance by using your Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.